Why is he watching that shit? Why is he fucking watching that shit? What? How did he find that? How's he got that on the TV? He doesn't know how to use that shit. He doesn't know how to do that. What is he not trust me? What does he think I'm lying to him? Why the fuck? How the fuck does he have that? Why? Why is he watching that video? Why now? Why? What the fuck? I think he's watching other shit. What the hell? Did you say anything? Did you tell him about my channel? Did you fucking be like, hey, here you go? What the fuck? Holy fuck, dude! There's so much shit on there. Dude, there's so much shit you can find out. Things that have happened over the years. Holy fuck. Dude, I'm so screwed. Oh my god, I never fucking thought this day would happen. Like, seriously, I never fucking thought he would ever go on there like that. What the fuck? What the fuck do I do? What do I do?